Hello, and welcome back for another quiz. This is our Stay Sharp series where we aim to challenge 4 parts of your brain, keeping you challenged in a fun way, but also keep your brain active and switched on. This quiz will test your visual recall. Then we will focus on semantic memory. Moving on from that, we tackle knowledge recall, and finally, the much-loved multiple choice cognitive elimination round. Keep track of your score along the way. We have 50 questions coming up, so let's jump straight into it. Can you recognize what this is? That's a Walkman. They'll get more difficult as we go along, but tell me, what do you see here? That's a VHS cassette. Do you recognize this item? A floppy disk. What do you think you're looking at? Rotary phone. Think back in time. What do you see here? And that's a pager. Any idea what this object might be? A Rubik's Cube. What type of camera is this? A Polaroid camera. Any idea what this object might be? Rolodex. Can you guess the place? Which famous monument is this? Mount Rushmore. What is the capital city of New Zealand? Wellington. What metal has the chemical symbol SN? Tin. Who wrote the novel The Great Gatsby? F. Scott Fitzgerald. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? Pacific Ocean. What is the tallest mountain in Africa? Mount Kilimanjaro. Which country invented paper? China. In what year did the Berlin Wall fall? Year 1989. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? O negative. What instrument measures earthquakes? Seismograph. Which European river flows through Vienna, Budapest, and Belgrade? Danube. What gas makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Which artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? And that would be Michelangelo. Which country won the first FIFA World Cup in 1930? Uruguay. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland. What is the currency of Switzerland? Swiss franc. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie. Which element is represented by the symbol AU? Gold. What is the longest river in Europe? Volga. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef? Australia. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. Your clue is what ancient writing material was made from the pith of a Nile plant. Find the correct answer. What mineral is the primary ore of aluminum? What is the surname of the author who wrote The Trial and Metamorphosis? To what island was Napoleon first exiled in 1814? What region includes Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia? What Norwegian archipelago is home to the world's northernmost permanent civilian settlement? What musical composition is designed to showcase the performer's technical skill? What greenish patina forms on weathered copper or bronze? What amino acid is especially important in the production of collagen? What word means a sudden moment of great realization or insight? Okay, just 10 questions to go. Remember to keep track of your score and be sure to subscribe if you'd like more of these quizzes. Best of luck. Which TV detective was played by Peter Falk? Which singer was called the Queen of Soul? Which composer wrote the opera Carmen? Which country is famous for the ancient city of Petra? What is the hardest natural substance? Which continent is the Sahara Desert in? Which scientist developed the theory of relativity? Which actress starred in Breakfast at Tiffany's? Which tennis tournament is played on grass courts?